How to fix Android Ear speaker not working. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1, you need to check the volume settings. Make sure the volume for media and calls is turned off. You can use the volume up button and then tap the three dots and check the media's volume and other volume settings as well. The other step you can do is simply restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary issues. Hold the power button on your device. Swipe towards restart, turn off your phone and wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. You can also check for software updates. Go to Settings, tap the search bar and search for updates. Wait for a few seconds until you get the option of software updates. Tap on it and check if there are any pending updates. Updating your phone can fix bugs that might be affecting the ear speaker. Dust or debris can block the speaker, so you have to clean the speaker of ear with a soft brush or use compressed air to remove any dirt. Also, you can have test in safe mode, test with another app, or perform a factory reset. By following all these steps, you should be able to diagnose and potentially fix the issues with your Android Ear speaker. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.